Volt Athletics Review. My honest experience with this AI-powered fitness app and training tools. AI is transforming fitness and Volt Athletics is at the forefront. But does it really deliver on its promise of personalized workouts and smarter training? I tested it out, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, thinking AI fitness apps are just generic exercise libraries. The surprising truth about Volt Athletics is that it uses AI to create truly customized programs based on your goals, current fitness level, and even recovery status. After completing a short assessment, the app generated a tailored 12-week program specifically for me, including strength, cardio, and mobility sessions. The interface is clean and intuitive. Each exercise comes with step-by-step instructions, video demonstrations, and alternative options for different equipment levels. I loved how the app adjusted the difficulty in real time. If I reported a workout as too easy or too hard, the next session automatically scaled accordingly. Volt also tracks progress meticulously. You can log weights, reps, and even body measurements. Over a few weeks, I noticed measurable improvements in strength and endurance, proof that the recommendations were effective. One standout feature is recovery tracking. By inputting sleep and fatigue levels, Volt modifies your program to prevent overtraining, something many fitness apps overlook. Pricing starts at $99 per month, which is competitive for a personalized AI-driven fitness solution. There's a free trial, which is perfect if you want to test it before committing. The only downside? If you prefer fully guided video workouts, Volt isn't like Peloton. It's designed to be flexible and adapt to your routine, which requires self-motivation. Overall, Volt Athletics combines AI technology with expert programming to create a highly personalized and effective training experience. If you want smarter, adaptive workouts that actually evolve with you, Volt is worth trying.